How to activate MailMerge Toolkit license. After the payment, an email with a registration code will be sent to you. Find it in your inbox, select and copy the code from the message. Open the Microsoft Word or Publisher after installing the trial version of MailMerge Toolkit. Open the Mailings tab, find the MailMerge Toolkit group, open the Help menu and click the Registration button. Here you will have an option to enter the code. And that's it! Depending on your code, the MailMerge Toolkit Standard or Pro version will be activated and can now be used without any trial limitations. If the code is not accepted, please recheck it and try again. The code is case sensitive and we recommend to copy it directly from the email. If you have not received the email, check your junk and spam folders. If you still cannot locate the message or have any other questions, please get in touch with our support team for assistance.